Welcome to Industrial and Management Engineering at IIT Kanpur. We offer a very unique MBA program because of its greater emphasis on emerging field of business analytics. Our department offers all opportunities for forging better industry ties and promoting research activities. Our alumni base has done us proud both in terms of their performance and positions occupied in India and abroad.
The best thing about MBA at IIT Kanpur is that it does not create just managers, but techno-managers.
The academic model focuses more on practical learning through case studies, live projects and industrial interaction.
The place provides you an atmosphere where you can explore yourself, you can find out what drives you. This is a place where actually you see your peers having their startups and MBA students working with them to make those startups successful. Or our output is always differentiated in terms of the depth of the knowledge that goes out of this place.
You get to work and interact with amazing people.
Incredible people.
People from different industries and different cultures.
It helps you develop a broader perspective. You are really learning something new all the time.
We also have a very academically rigorous program in terms of the courses that are taught, the qualifications of the faculty that teach the courses. In particular, we have been putting a lot of emphasis on analytics in the last 3 or 4 years, and we have been making strides. We have several different courses that are being offered. We run our own ACCS Analytics Case Competition and Symposium over here. We have been doing it for the last 4 years.
The program allows you to take half-credit subjects along with your area of specialization,
And that adds greatly to the breadth of your knowledge. The life science added is something incredible.
Overall, it is an excellent learning experience.
Our program aims to train engineer managers who will have an impact on high technology business in India and abroad. Our department, although small, was ranked overall 9th and 3rd in research by a recently conducted survey of management schools by MHRD Government of India.
High faculty to student ratio enables
Interactive learning.
Every day is a new challenge.
Life is very fast paced here and there is a constant rush to excel.